Hey everybody, it's on Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make Cajun lamb backstrap kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'll be doing this recipe based on 500 grams of diced lamb backstrap. Now I've just diced it into about 1 centimeter cubes. So to this we're going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of crushed chili flakes, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and about 1 teaspoon of ground fennel. And we'll top this up with about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm just going to give this a good mix. And we want to get everything equally and well coated. So we're just going to cover this with some cling wrap now, place it straight into the fridge for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight for best results. Alright, so we'll go ahead and skewer these now. So in my case, I'm going to throw them on my long metal skewers like so, and cook them on my open fire. If you don't want to do that, you can put these onto wooden bamboo skewers, just make sure you soak them first so they don't burn. Now you want to try and thread pieces on that are about the same size. This ensures they'll cook evenly. Just like so. So you want to continue doing that. Alright, and we'll go ahead and place them straight onto our grill. So I'm just cooking at a medium to high heat. After about 30 seconds, we'll just flip our skewers. And what this is doing is sealing the meat to keep all that flavour inside. After another 30 seconds, we'll go ahead and flip our skewers again. And basically all we're doing is turning these every 30 seconds until it's cooked all the way through. This should only take about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, so after about 4 minutes, we just want to check. As you can see, the pieces of meat are nice and firm, which is what we want. So we're sitting at around medium now. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull them to the side and let them rest. And then we'll serve them. Alright, so get your skewers pushed down from the top, and from the bottom we're going to push it all the way off like that. Alright, and there we have it. And just look how perfect that looks. So that's ready to be enjoyed on its own. You can wrap it up with some bread, with some yogurt sauce, with rice or salad, however you like it. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.